Hey guys, it is me, Tanya, founder of the TNG Designs Group Limited. I hope you're all keeping safe and well. Now, in this particular video, we're talking about positioning and more importantly, understanding what is personal positioning. Now, when you understand personal positioning, you know how to make sure that you stand out amongst other people. But not only that, you also stand out in a way that's always going to be congruent to your standards and beliefs. Now, stick around to the very end of this video because not only will I be sharing with you 3 specific ways in order to be able to show up and stand out in a way that suits you, but also I want to make sure that when you understand what is positioning and more so what is personal positioning, you also get to grips with how you make sure that you actually start showing up again in a way that suits you and your brand and the awareness that you're trying to drive towards it, because it's all well and good that you're creating these things. However, what's the point of creating it if nobody gets to see it, if nobody gets to experience it, and equally if nobody gets to connect with it? Now, it's all about connection building. It's all about relationship building, especially on this particular channel. So make sure you stick around to the very end because I get to share with you exactly how you take all of what's known with personal positioning and personal branding positioning as well, but equally how you go ahead and continuously take action with it. There we go, folks. So with that in mind, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel because I share content just like this. And without further ado, let's just get stuck into it. So, okay, as I said, we are going to be talking about what is personal positioning. And when it comes to your brand, the idea of personal positioning essentially boils down to 3 key things. Now, you know me, I'm always all about these bite-sized chunks, which is why I've put forward to you these 3 specific things in order to make sure that you understand what is personal positioning. Now, we'll be putting other videos out here which go a little bit further into the idea of positioning, but whereas keep talking about positioning in past videos, I thought, you know what, it's time now for you to be able to understand what exactly is personal positioning. Well, let's get stuck into it. The idea of what is personal positioning, and especially when it comes to this first point, it's something that unfortunately, even today, still people are struggling with doing. And I wonder if it's because they don't know how to do it or do it in a way, again, that literally sits well with the likes of their brand, what they're about, the meaning of what it is that they're doing, and equally the real reason as to why they're doing what they're doing. Now, what I'm talking about is essentially standing out. When you're standing out, it allows you to know that with personal positioning in mind, you are answering the real reason why you're doing what you're doing. Equally, the real people that you are wanting to speak to. And remember, we're not for everybody, by the way, folks. Your business, your brand, whatever it is that you're drawing awareness to is not for everybody. And that is absolutely fine. Do not try and grasp everybody's attention. You weren't designed for that. What you're trying to draw awareness to was not designed for that, so do not do it. It's okay. So when you're standing out, stand out with the intention in mind that you're actually addressing your message to a specific person. And with standing out in mind, go back and understand what your VPV is, or understand what your brand power 3 is, your vision, your purpose, and your values. Because when you do so, you really get to grips with how you make sure that you stand up in a way that is congruent, again, to your standards, your beliefs, and then some. So keep that in mind. Now, this next part, when it comes to understanding what is personal positioning. Aside from standing out, yes, standing out in a way that is congruent to your standards and beliefs, obviously, as we know. But more so, this next part is actually super important to be able to do and actually get it right. When I say get it right, I'm talking about getting it right for you and your brand. But again, remember, you need to make sure that you tap back into your VPV. That is super important. And more specifically, touch base on what your values are about. The values about your brand, the values about you, the values about what it is that you want to make sure that your audience experiences after having seen you. With personal positioning in mind, it pays homage, if you like, or refers back to what your values are. With personal branding in mind, it also draws on the idea of, do you know what? I understand what my bigger picture is, and I want to make sure with that bigger picture in mind, the intention of how I'm actually speaking to people, once again, like how we talked about standing out, is now being brought to the attention of what I'm doing, but equally how I'm being perceived. So perception is super key at this part. when you understand what perception is, or understanding the perception of you, equally what it is that you want to be known for, you understand how to make sure that with personal positioning in mind, your perception, the idea of what it is that you want to be known for, the message that you're putting out there with your brand, always stands at the forefront of anything you are saying, anything that you're doing, and equally anything that you are sharing. With me, as you know, the perception of me is always about the idea of being that brand specialist, branding queen as I was once known as, but also the idea of helping others to see that they are more than what they see. Representation really, really does matter. And also, you all my clients, all my audience, anybody who is watching this video, you are all an example of a way forward. That means that with the idea of standing up, like I just shared with you, you need to be able to do so in a way that, again, attracts an audience, the real audience that you should be speaking to, but equally draws them to the attention that you are trying to draw awareness to, especially when it comes to your brand. So, perception is super key in this. And with that in mind, it brings me on to the third thing that I want to make sure that you're tackling or addressing. When it comes to the idea of personal positioning or understanding what is personal positioning, what it is also understanding connection. Connection is super key in order to be able to make sure that any brand gets the awareness that it deserves. Now, when I talk about connection, I've been talking about people all the way through this, right? And speaking to the right kind of a people. Well, when you're connecting with the right kind of a people, that message is shared, that message is listened to, and that message is equally heard. When you're building the awareness of your brand, again, those messages that you are sharing with what it is that you are doing will always be heard. And remember what I shared with you in the past about the idea of repetition equals reputation, right? The more and more that you're doing it is the more and more that people get to start to recognize it and relate it back to you. So that relatability factor, that idea as to what that message is about, and the idea of making sure that, I remember hearing that once before from X, Y, and Z brand or X, Y, and Z person. Let me make sure I either check back in with them to see what's going on, or equally reach out to them to understand how I can also help myself to move forwards. You see, with all these things that we are doing, especially when it comes to your brand, right? You got to make sure that you are creating ways for yourself to be memorable. And you got to make sure that you are creating ways for your messages to be memorable, more importantly. Okay? There's a lot of craziness out here. There's a lot of mixed communication out here. And equally, there's a lot of mixed messaging out here. So be direct with yours. Be direct with yours in the way that actually stands true to what it is that you are doing, stands true to the awareness that you're building with your brand, and equally also stands true to who it is that you are. So there we have it, folks. What is personal positioning? Well, it's essentially how you stand out. It's also your perception, and equally it's also how you are connecting with your audience. The real audience that you actually should be working with, or the real audience that you actually want to attract your brand towards. So with that in mind, go back and watch this once again, but equally also keep remembering that repetition equals reputation, and take these key principles that I really want to share with you and go ahead and just keep pushing your brand even further. Now, my principles, as you know, they're all about branding, but equally more importantly, how to elevate your brand to that next level to make sure that it continuously gets remembered. So when you're thinking about what is positioning or equally personal positioning, start here, or even go and check in here and click on the link. That's the first link, by the way. Yes, you are going to get asked a few details, but that's okay. Go ahead and answer those. Because what I'll be able to do is literally just fire over to you my key principles. Now, these key principles that I keep talking about, right? Each and every one of these principles will help you to understand how you can do all of what I've just shared and then some. I want to make sure that not only are you paying attention on this particular video, I want to make sure that your branding experience continues and elevates and keeps leveling up even more so. But you can only level up if you start taking action, right? So, click on that link that's below this video, fill in the details that are needed, and I will share with you all these key principles that will help your brand to elevate and level up even more so by really thinking about what your VPV is and equally your brand power of 3. Also making sure that you're making the right connections with the right kind of peoples and understanding what your people pools are. And also understanding how can you start promoting yourself, your brand, your awareness, what it is that you're doing in a way that is always going to be congruent to your standards and your beliefs, so that you stand true to you. You stand true in a way that is always going to be suitable and comfortable and confident within who it is that you are. So, folks, make sure you go ahead and do so. Like and subscribe to this channel. And as always, I will see you on the other side.